Hey everybody, it's the Ginger Optimist, and today I'm going to make split pea soup with ham. Let's do this. I already have all my food prepped, and my Instant Pot is set on Sauté, but I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons of butter in my pot. Gonna let that melt. And I just wanna give a shout out to She's in Los Angeles. She is one of my subscribers. She has her own channel. You want to check her out. She is the one who sent me this recipe, so I'm excited to give it a try. So I'm gonna add my carrots. I did 3 carrots. Her recipe calls for 2, but we love carrots, so I thought, let's go with 3. So I'm gonna add those to the butter. And I have 3 stalks of celery. 1 small onion chopped. Okay, now I'm gonna add 2 cups of chopped up ham. Let that saute for a minute. Now I'm gonna add half a teaspoon of garlic powder. A 1/4 teaspoon of thyme, one teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of paprika. This is a 1/4, so I'm going to do 2 of these. And a 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes. Gonna stir this all up. Now I'm going to add 7 cups of chicken broth, and I use the organic chicken broth. Gonna put my split peas in. Mix them up. I'm gonna allow this to come to a boil, and then we will turn it off and put it on manual for 12 minutes. Our soup has come to a boil, so I turned it off. Now I'm gonna taste the broth to see if it needs a little salt. I think it's fine. I put the lid on. I made sure that my venting valve is on seal. Now I'm gonna turn the Instant Pot on manual for 12 minutes. I'm gonna let it do its thing and let it self-release, and then we will taste this soup. It looks amazing. The silver button has dropped down. It took about 35 minutes for it to totally self-release. We're gonna open it up. Remember, open away from your face because of all the steam. Give it a stir. Looking forward to trying this. All right, let's give this a taste test. Oh, that is delicious. I want to say thank you again to She's in Los Angeles. Check out her YouTube channel. She's got a great channel on Disneyland and different videos where they're building things there and making candy, all kinds of stuff. So be sure and check out She's in Los Angeles. Thanks again for watching, my friend. I hope you have a wonderful day, and if you're new, I hope you'll consider subscribing. God bless. Bye.